Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these Keto Fudgy Chocolate Muffins. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Today we're making a chocolatey fudgy muffin, and this is not like my typical muffin recipe. I'm doing something a little bit different because I wanted these to be really fudgy. So we're going to start. We've got almond flour, of course. I always use almond flour. I've got 1.5 cups in this bowl. And I'm going to add the rest of the dry ingredients. 1/2 cup of granulated sweetener, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Yes, we're using both. 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, and that's our dry ingredients. So we're going to get all that stirred up. Okay, now we're going to add our wet ingredients. We've got 1/2 cup of melted butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 4 large eggs that we've already beaten, and 2/3 of a cup of water. Okay, so let's get this stirred up. And you could also use an electric mixer for this, but I'm just a creature of habit and I like using my spatulas. And now we're going to stir in 1/2 cup of sugar-free chocolate chips. You can use Lily's, you can use Bake Believe, whatever are your favorite sugar-free chocolate chips. Okay, we've got our muffin tin here. We've got them lined with liners, and I like to also spray the insides of the liners with cooking spray, just because it just makes the liners come off so easily. And now we're going to distribute the batter evenly between all of the muffin liners. When I published this on my blog, people couldn't wait to make it, and it was getting rave reviews. And if you want, you can put a few extra chocolate chips on top of each one just to, make it look a little bit better. Just so everyone knows that these have chocolate chips. Okay, these are ready to bake in a 400-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, here are our muffins out of the oven, and they took 15 minutes exactly, and they look amazing. I mean, look at that. So let's try a bite. First, I want to just open one of these up and show you the inside. They're so, like nice, and they have a really good texture. So let's try a bite. They're absolutely perfect. They have such a good texture. They're so fudgy. Yum. Guys, be sure you check out this recipe, and thank you so much for watching all of my videos. I'm so appreciative of all of you guys. But I will see you guys next time. Bye.